Hey y'all, what is up everybody? What is up YouTube? Sparky Marky, and I'm back to do a review and unboxing of a certain item. Now, what is this item? And judging from this packaging, of course, stuff. Okay. Judging from this packaging, I know where it is, since I took off the wrappings and everything. I got this from Japan. So enough chit chat, y'all. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Like, now. A+ on the packagings. Yep, very cool. Alrighty. And here it is. It's a G-Shock watch, but I cannot read this. I'm gonna go to the man cave and see what's in here. Like, right now, let's go. Alrighty, so it's a G-Shock watch, but what kind, you say? Can't even tell from this angle, but let's take a look inside. Let's see which one, which model number. You know it's the model number, but which specifically? Sort of a basic tin can with details. Module 3247, obviously. Which specific is this? Well, I know which one it is. Okay. No freaking way. Yes. Great, they blocked up. Well, we know it's a -1C. It's definitely a CR. And this is, yes, the gold version, baby. The gold version. That's right. That's right. Okay, so look at the basic functions. You already know what this is. The one of the Jason reissues. And this is a gold version. The face, baby. Only the face. Got your world time, stopwatch. Press that. No way. You press this button. You got your split. Okay. Stop and reset it. Ooh, my personal favorite, the timer. You got your alarms, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, snooze, signal, back to your alarm 1. Okay, you got that. And 2, same thing. Snooze, you get both. Signal, you just get signal. Back to your home time. All right. That's not the right date. I gotta change that. And let me see if I can do the splitting the screen. All I have to do is press the adjust button here, this button, and this button. Press all 3. It has the test screen mode. That's right. At the end of the video, you're going to be seeing a loom shop, baby. Ha! Beautifully. Any of you guys know I'm a big fan of the Jasons. I like Friday the 13th movies, the franchise, except for the TV series. It had nothing to do with the whole And everybody knows on Friday the 13th, you have to be careful what you do. You spill salt, toss some salt over your right shoulder. Grab a pinch of salt and toss it on your right shoulder. And what else? Don't step on a crack or anything. And you got to get your 4-leaf clovers. Avoid black cats in the streets. So yeah. And as well, if you heard me say this before, you know, this is one of the reissues, okay? That Kanye West reissued the watch and sold to the public, released in 2010. This particular one came out during the fall of 2011. I was 20. And let's take a look at the details from front to back. Cool guardrails, beautifully. Well, these were the holes that had the thermometers and stuff, but not anymore, unfortunately. We know the module number, 3247. Very good details, yes, I do say so. And you can lie flat on a table. Amazing wrist grippers or wing grippers, whatever you call them. And the buckle, Japan. Very beautifully. If you can compare this with the original Jason, which I do have one. Alrighty. So let's show a comparison between its original predecessor and its brother or son. This one, I gotta change the battery. But if you see them comparisons side by side, this has thermal data, thermometer, of course, and it had pressure sensors and stuff, but it didn't have a timer. This has a timer, and there's no more of that, whatchamacallit, thermometers and pressure and temperature sensor. But they all have similarity, the circleness, the appearances, sure. The letterings are different. This is from the 90s. This is from 2011. Approximately about 16 years apart. 17 to be exact. 17 years apart. But a little sort of the vibeness to it. Let's put them like front and back. Hold on. Okay, somewhat. But to indicate this is bigger, this original is bigger because, like what you heard me say before about 94, that was a huge year for some projects, movies, music, shows, and other things, including, of course, watches. G-Shock got big that year. So yeah, November of 94, and then you have October of 2011. You see the comparisons with each other? Let me know in the description. I mean, at least they reissue this, and it's been reissued many times, almost a dozen times, you know, with collaborations and stuff. But this predecessor will always live on, and those who have it in their collection. Those who use it better find the right bezel and band for its predecessor from 94. I'm not going to abuse the hell out of this watch. This is a rare find. You don't see these anymore. So yeah. Yeah, time to put this bad out, the OG back, and I gotta go one of these days to get this thing fixed. Ooh, this really needs to get fixed. No lie about that, y'all. All right, one more view of this watch before going on to the music from 2011. That's right. Yeah, this is a band from the US, but I got this from Japan, obviously. And it's not even used, no sign of anything that was worn or anything. So yeah, admire this design, y'all. Alrighty, now let's go to the music. Like right now. Alrighty, y'all. So we're gonna be playing a song from 2011 by Ben Benazzi with the hit song Cinema. Enjoy, folks. That was Ben Ozzy with the hit song Cinema. So if you like content like this or any other content, click the bell on the subscribe button to be notified when new uploads. Like the videos, always appreciate the thumbs ups and comments down below. Also, let's give a shout out to the watch collectors, the physical media collectors, the toy collectors, and all your collectors out there, as well as to my subscribers. Shouts to you all. So yeah. And also, I'm in the YouTube community. I often post what time I post videos at a certain time, rather be the afternoon hours, the evening hours, actually the early evening hours, not the late evening hours. So, y'all, this is Sparky Marky Mark signing off. Y'all take care. God bless you, hear you, and see you on the next vid. Enjoy Thursday, y'all, and later. Gotta go.